running backstitch is a way to combine the running stitch and the backstitch. So here I'm going to anchor the thread with a few stitches, and then I start by doing some running stitches, as many as I can take on the needle, pull the thread, and then take a back stitch, and then continue with running stitches, pull, and continue with the back stitch, running stitches, this way you get the speed and ease of the running stitches and the security of the back stitch in one seam. Because if it unravels, it will only unravel until the back stitch that will hold the seam in place, so you can mend it easier. And this seam is good to use on long seams like in the sides of skirts, because it will not take that much time to do, and you get the security of the locking back stitch. And now I'm just going to secure the thread with a couple of stitches into the loop. That will also lock the thread in place. And on the back side, you will see that it looks quite a lot like the running stitch, with just a little longer stitches in between. Good luck!